All right, I am live. Okay, I'm gonna give it a minute for people to hop on and then we will get started. All right. Okay, I see a few people hopping on. Hello, hi. Happy Wednesday, whoop whoop. Hey, hi Claudia, hi. All right. I hope you guys are having a great day. I don't know if anybody else feels like this, but with Christmas being so close, I'm like kind of seeing stars. Like I have work to do, but I'm like ready for the holidays. So I hope I'm not alone in that. Hi, April. Hi, Pam. Yay. Hi, Monique. Okay. I see people hopping on. I am a minute after, so I'm gonna get started. Hey everyone, thanks for joining in. Thanks for tuning in with me live. Hi Tyra, hi Laura. I'm gonna get distracted talking to you guys. In case you guys don't know who I am or what I do, I am Rhea Reeves. I am the woman behind City Girl Savings. I teach women to create and stick to realistic budget plans. And I am like seriously on a mission to help as many women, not just women, men too, but mostly women, help as many women as I possibly can reach financial independence through proper budgeting. Budgeting saved my life, and that's really why I started City Girl Savings so many years ago. We are about to turn 6 years old on January 1st. So happy early birthday to City Girl Savings. But enough about me. I'm not here to talk about me. I'm actually here to talk about Digit. And if you have been following me for a while, you know that I love using Digit to help me reach specific financial goals. And I'm here today to just talk about what Digit is and how you can use it to reach your money goals. Especially since we are moving into 2021, we need to set and achieve those money goals. And I truly believe Digit can help you do that. So if you are new to the party, not sure what Digit is, let me enlighten you, and I'm also going to show you what it looks like. But basically, Digit is a financial health app that helps you save for whatever goals you have. So if your goal is to pay off debt, make sure your bills are paid on time, have an emergency fund, save for a trip, whatever the case may be, you can create Digit savings accounts within your Digit app, and Digit will help you save for those goals. Now, what's really cool about Digit is Digit has this crazy algorithm. I don't even know how they come up with this, but it's awesome, where basically you link your Digit savings account to your primary checking account. And this algorithm basically assesses how you spend money, when money comes out, what the busy times are for your finances. And based on that information, it transfers out small, harmless amounts of money from your primary checking account into your Digit savings goal accounts. So one, small amounts of money are leaving your account essentially without you even feeling it, right? Like $2 here, 50 cents there, nothing to make you just oh my God, what happened? But enough to where it happens so consistently, on a daily basis. And before you know it, you look in your Digit account and you're like, oh my gosh, how do I have hundreds of dollars already saved? I don't know how that works, but it's such a game changer. And, sometimes people are like, well, you know what? I use a zero-based budgeting method, which I do as well. And so you think, well, if Digit is transferring different amounts of money, on a regular basis, how does that impact my budget? Well, what you do is you include Digit in your budget. This is what I do. And you give yourself an amount to allow Digit to take out. So for me, $50 a month is what I have budgeted for Digit. And what's cool is that inside the Digit app, you can set a cap on how much Digit takes out on a daily basis. So if you're worried Digit is going to take too much, you can set the cap and voila, everything can work out still within your zero-based budget and you're still saving money. So it's amazing. If you haven't already checked it out, definitely do so. I want to share with you how I'm using Digit. So I'm going to pull it up on my phone and I hope you'll be able to see this, but hopefully you can. Okay, so it says we saved $8.12 together today. Yay! So I already saved $8. Like that's a Starbucks coffee that I would have spent that money on, literally a Starbucks coffee, but now it's going into my Digit savings account. So I'm actually working towards something. But in my Digit, I don't know if you can see that, but I have a rainy day savings. It's not my true emergency fund. I'm gonna tilt it so you can kind of see. But it's like a just in case something happens. I have this money sitting here. I haven't touched it. It's at $556. I haven't had to use it, but it's there and it keeps growing. And I also have a just because goal, and my goal was to save $500 in Digit just because. And I'm at $392.26. So obviously, like, Digit has been taking money out of my checking account, over the course of time to accumulate and reach these goals. But if I'm not missing the money and it's literally like pretty much $900 just sitting right here, it's a game changer. And what's super cool is that Digit just released investment savings. So similar to like your regular savings goals where small amounts of money are coming out of your checking account, you can do that with an investment. So small amounts of money will still be coming out of your checking account, but now it's being invested for you, which is awesome. They literally just came out with this, and I'm actually trying it out. So if you guys have been following me for a while, I keep saying that, but you'll know that I, after 13 years, bought a car, a brand new car, like my dream car, 0% interest. I have the money in my account if I want to pay it off, but because I got 0% interest, I'm like, I'd rather keep my cash in my account and like figure out how to make that work. So I set up a Digit investment account to pay my car off faster so I don't have to tap into my cash flow. So I just started using this because this feature just came out, but I'm really excited that I'll be able to essentially save to pay my car off faster without having to touch my current savings, all thanks to Digit. What's also really cool, I know I'm like holding it to the side, but if you have credit card debt, you can like set up Digit savings goals to help you pay off your credit cards. If you are like constantly late on your phone bill, you can set that up. Student loans, like Digit is really all about helping you reach whatever goals you have. And it's really nice the way it's laid out. And the way they take the money out of your account, it essentially is like you're not missing it. So I think that's probably the biggest thing you'll want to keep in mind. Like, if you are a spender and if that money is sitting in your checking account and you are likely to spend it because it's there, something like Digit can help you save more without you having to do anything and avoid spending just because it's in your account. So that's how I'm using Digit, but whether you use Digit or not, I really challenge you to think about like what your goals are moving into the new year. I mean, it's perfect time to think about what you want to improve on, what like worked and didn't work in your finances this year, and what can you do to help you move forward the right way in 2021. If it is saving for a dream vacation, whenever that can happen, start like planning it out. If you don't have goals that you're working towards, I challenge you to like look at your current situation. Do you have debt, and do you have an emergency fund? If you have debt, one of your goals should be to pay it off. Maybe not pay it all off, but work towards paying it off. If you don't have an emergency fund, your goal should be to get an emergency fund. These are goals that everybody can benefit from, and something like Digit can help you save for those goals. So once you decide on like whatever your goals are, if you're gonna give Digit a shot, I challenge you, another challenge, get your goals set up in Digit. What's really cool is that you can add like your desired amount when you want to reach that goal, and then you can like put like a cute little emoji in there and just get excited about working towards that goal. And over time, like before you know it, especially if you're not like keeping a close eye on what's happening in Digit, maybe you check it like once a week, you're really going to be blown away by just how quickly it adds up without you even feeling it coming out of your checking account. So definitely consider giving that a try. Also, if you are like bold and want to try their new investment option, give it a go. The money is already going to be coming out of your account. So whether it's being invested or just saved in your other Digit accounts, you can benefit from it. So all that to being said, I don't see any questions. Do you guys use Digit currently? Is anybody on here already using Digit? And if so, do you love it like I do? If not, oh, by the way, you get a free $5 if you sign up with my link. You can go to the link in my bio to sign up. But once you are a Digit member, once you already have the Digit app, you can refer the app to your friends and get accumulate $5. So every time you refer a friend and they sign up, you get $5. And I have yet to see a cap on that. So if you know you have friends who could benefit from saving with the app, definitely make sure you refer them and then you'll get the extra money. So you've used Digit. Awesome. Hopefully you liked it. Hi, Amanda. Okay, you never put it to use. What's stopping you? Why not? It's actually really simple. Once you get it set up and linked to your checking account, there's really nothing more for you to do. You stop because your account kept linking. Oh, that's annoying. I wonder if that was maybe an older version, or maybe you have an account with a credit union or something. Interesting. Yeah, I've been using it for years, and I haven't had any issues like that. It's been doing wonders for me. In fact, if you guys, again, have been following for a while, you know I do those Frugal Fall Savings Challenges. This past one, I used Digit for that challenge to save my $500 for Christmas gifts, and I loved it. And I just transferred the money out just recently because I started buying gifts, and it was just so nice to have that specific savings away from my checking account, away from my other savings. Just know it's there and I can use it for Christmas gifts. It was awesome. Yeah, you should definitely retry and, forward it to friends so they can join and you can get paid for them joining. Anyone else? Have you guys used Digit? Hi, Amanda. Nice to see you. Amanda, I think you're on Digit because you did the challenge, so yay. If you guys have any questions too, you can always feel free to shoot me a message, not just about Digit, but finances in general. I appreciate you guys tuning in here. Yes, you're using it. Do you like it? Hopefully you do, or hopefully you've been saving a lot with it. It truly does make saving so much easier. Yeah, look into it. I mean, that's all. It's harmless to look into, and if it's something that could benefit you, anything to make saving money a little bit easier, number one, and a little bit more consistent, number two, is always a good idea. Especially as we move into the new year. I've never heard of Yada, but I will look into it. Is that a savings app? I have my other phone here, I can check. Yada. I see people hopping on. We're talking about Digit and using them to, oh, you love it. You saved almost $200 in 2 months, and I honestly don't even notice the money has left my account. That's what I'm saying. It's before you know it, you're holy cow, how do I have hundreds of dollars in my Digit account when I didn't even see it coming out of my checking account? Although I saw it, but $5 here, $1 there doesn't seem to make a big difference. Okay, Yada savings. Start saving, start winning. Oh, this is interesting. You can win prizes and stuff. Very interesting. I'll definitely look into this. Okay, I'm missing what you guys are saying. Okay, it's super cool. My friend is really into it and they give you money. I mean, extra money, I'm here for it. I think you probably meant I bought a BB. which is also a good app for saving, but in a different way. Awesome. Okay, I don't see any more questions coming in about digit or goals, but hopefully this was helpful for you guys. If you have tried digit, hopefully you love it like I do. If you haven't tried it, just look into it, give it a chance, especially if you need help saving to reach specific goals. Digit can help you do that. It does wonderful things for those who use it. But I appreciate you guys hopping on, tuning in here with me live. I need to do more of these. Just time always seems to get the better of me. But I hope you guys have a fantastic night, fantastic holidays. Thanks again for tuning in, and I will see you guys soon. Bye, everyone. Have a good night.